Hello again. We're back with another video of vocabulary words for our science class. This time we'll be looking at 6.2, the solar system. What you'll need for this assignment: you'll need your Instagram notebook paper, you're going to need your science interactive notebook, a pencil, and a readiness to learn about the solar system. Now remember, you can pause this video at any time to take notes, to do your Instagrams, or if you have questions, you can go back and look at different sections. Take your time, do an awesome job. Let's begin by looking at our essential questions. When we're done with this unit, we will be able to tell each other what makes up our solar system, how many planets are in our solar system, and we'll learn their names as well. What other objects can be found in our solar system. So let's begin by looking at our vocabulary words. If you need to, pause them, take time, and think about each question or word. Our first word is comet. A comet is a chunk of ice and rock that orbits the sun in a long, narrow orbit. The picture we see here is Halley's Comet. This is one of the most famous comets here on Earth. It visits us about every 75 to 76 years. It's due to visit us again in 2061. So most of you will have a chance to see this comet in July of 2061. Our next word is asteroid. These are chunks of rock and metal that orbit the sun. As you can see, these don't have tails like comets do, and these sometimes will strike other planets and the Earth. Our next word is planet. A planet is a large body that revolves around the sun and has cleared a path within its orbit. Here are our planets as in order from the sun, starting with Mercury and ending with Neptune. As you can see, Earth is the third planet. Our next word is meteor. A meteor is a fragment of rock, ice, or metal that burns up in the Earth's atmosphere. You see these a lot in the night sky, believe it or not, more often than you think. A lot of people refer to these as shooting stars. Our next word is meteorite, which is almost the same thing as a meteor, except this is a chunk of rock from space that actually hits the Earth. There are several places on Earth that you can see evidence of a meteorite hitting the Earth. One is a large place called Crater Lake. Our next word is solar system. This includes the sun and all the objects that are in orbit the sun. When talking about the solar system, most people think about the sun, and then they'll think about all the planets, but they forget about the other things like the meteors and asteroids and the comets that do actually orbit the sun as well. Well, that's our vocabulary words. Let's take a look at our essential questions. Our first essential question: what makes up our solar system? And the answer to that is simple. It's the sun is the center of our solar system, and it's orbited by planets. We can remember also that it has other things that are in there, like the meteors and the comets and other space junk. Essential question number 2, how many planets are in our solar system? As of now, 8 planets revolve around our sun and our solar system. If you look at our picture here, you can see right way out here Pluto. Pluto was considered a planet from 1930 to 2005 when it was designated as a dwarf planet. It's the outermost planet from the sun, or dwarf planet now. Essential question number 3. What are other objects that are found in our solar system? As we discussed, our solar system contains comets, asteroids, meteors, and other objects that are floating around in space. Some people call it space junk. But don't forget our planets are there as well. Alright, that takes care of our vocabulary words. That wasn't too painful, was it? Before class tomorrow, remember, complete your Instagrams with the word, definition, hashtag, sentence with the word, and a picture. We will do the flashcards in class tomorrow and discuss these words a little bit further. Make sure you have your essential questions with the answers in your notebook, and we will see you tomorrow in class. Have a great evening.